Hello everyone, my name is Colin Engel. I'm a lecturer here at SUNY Oneonta in the Food Service and Restaurant Administration Department. I have been involved in food since high school. I started out working at McDonald's, and then an experience that really shaped my desire to stay in food was working for Abigail Kirsch Catering while I was in college. But of course, I succumbed to some pressure and decided that instead of getting a culinary degree, that I probably ought to work in business. So I went off and got an MBA and went to work for GE, and then I went to work as a stockbroker until I finally realized that I needed to do what I really loved, and I went back to culinary school. I then became a chef eventually and a restaurant owner, and did that for 4+ years before I decided that I wanted to give back to the school that had trained me. So I went into teaching, and now I have been involved in teaching this is my 15th year of teaching. I've taught at the high school level in Southern Indiana. I've taught online for over 10 years now for the Art Institute. The job I had before coming here was as a professor, assistant professor, and chair of the Miami Culinary Institute, which is part of Miami-Dade College. I decided to come up here to New York so I could be closer to family again. I have a granddaughter that lives in Portsmouth, New Hampshire, and my parents live in downstate New York. Some of the things that I've been able to accomplish in my career, 20+ years now in the food service industry, include some competition at the national level for the American Culinary Federation. I also am a certified executive chef and a certified culinary educator with the American Culinary Federation. I also went to the Beijing Olympics back in 2008, which I'll talk more about in a little bit. I'm involved with my brother, who owns a winery in the Finger Lakes. He's on Seneca Lake. It's known as Bloomer Creek, and it is a great place to stop along the wine trail if you ever get an opportunity. They specialize in organic wines and have become nationally and internationally known for their wines. As I mentioned before, I was lucky enough to be involved in the Beijing Olympics. I was a cook for the U.S. Olympic team. We set up a kitchen at Beijing Normal. We called it the High Performance Center. We cooked 3 meals a day, 7 days a week. And we did that for 2 weeks before the Olympics and all the way through the Olympics. It was an unforgettable experience. And if I had the opportunity, I would certainly do it again. And I would encourage any of you, if you have an opportunity like that, to go out and explore the world. I'm looking forward to this class. I'm looking forward to working with you. And I will see you in the threads.